Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send location on Messenger. So first of all, launch Messenger app on your mobile device. Then tap open any conversation you wish to. So I'm gonna launch this conversation. Now from here you'll see a plus button at the left hand corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. Now over here you would need to turn on your location access first. Now tap on turn on. With that, your map will be opened like this. You can also start sharing your live location, or you can also pin your location on the map. Now you can move this pin around on the map, and then once you choose a location, tap on the option of send location. Then you will be able to send your location to your friends on Messenger. Then your particular friends on Facebook will be able to open this pinned location on your Messenger and then find your address accordingly. You can also share your live location and send it to your Facebook friends as well. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.